Good day, everyone. Today, I will present the introduction and background of our case study about the Pinyang Mochara Hotel. The introduction explains that in the luxury hotel industry, service quality and efficiency are very important to stay competitive. The Pinyang Mochara Hotel in Malaysia is recognized for its world-class luxury image and excellent service. At the same time, it faces challenges such as handling demand surges, maintaining dependable service, staffing flexibility, and controlling costs. The main point is that the hotel must find ways to manage seasonal demand, prepare its staff well, and control expenses while still delivering the high standards for luxury that guests expect. For the background, the Pinyang Mutiara Hotel is a 440-room resort located on Malaysian Indian Ocean coast. It is managed by Singapore Mandarin International Hotels. The hotel is admired for its never-say-no culture, where staff always try to meet guest requests, and for its stylish design and durable facilities that reflect a luxurious atmosphere. However, it struggles with challenges like sudden increases in room service demand, seasonal staff who may not be well trained, and high operating costs, especially for food and beverages. To deal with these problems, the hotel uses flexible and multi-skilled staff, careful planning, and strong attention to service dependability. For example, they make sure rooms are ready on time, bills are prepared when guests leave, and banquets are delivered exactly as planned. That ends my report on the introduction and background of the Pinyang Mutara Hotel. Next is the evolution of the case that will be discussed by Dan Philip Nuihor.
So in evaluation case, they are working and not working. So working is quality, flexibility, and dependability. And not working are seasonal and cost. So the quality, the assessment of Pinyang Mochara Hotel indicates that various aspects of operation are in good shape. It has high level of quality service characterized by personal care and adequate training of staff, which makes customer feel valued and contented. So next is flexibility. So flexibility is another area of strength since workers are multi-skilled and can be shifted into another functions. When a sudden change occur in demand, like during peak hours in a room service. And the third is dependability. So dependability is another asset since planning that goes on in a hotel avoids error in a large function like banquet when the timing and coordination are paramount. Hotel also had some issues. So next is seasonal demand. So seasonal demand are the necessity that recruitment of temporary staff often lead to this. So employee not having the same level as the customer service skill that the regular employee have, so impacting that overall guest experience. And moreover, cost pressure is also important, that food and drinks makes approximately 60% of the total operating costs. That complicates it for the hotel that reduce without compromising the quality of the service.
Now, I will present the solution part of our case study. One of the biggest problems of the Pinyang Mochara Hotel is the use of seasonal or temporary workers during the peak seasons. Since many of these employees are not fully trained, the quality of service sometimes goes down. To address this, the hotel should introduce a structured training system that is simple but effective. This training can use micro-learning methods, which means short lessons or video modules that focus on very specific tasks. For example, temporary staff can watch short clips that show how to greet guests properly, how to handle payments using the POS system, or how to follow service standards step by step. Along with this, the hotel can also use checklists and job shadowing, where new staffs follow experienced workers to learn the right way to serve. Another solution is cross-training the regular employees so they can handle multiple roles whenever demand gets too high. For instance, a front desk employee can be trained to help in dining service or even assistant with simple housekeeping duties when needed. This makes the team more flexible and ensures that service does not slow down during busy times. Cross training also helps workers build more skills and confidence, which makes them more motivated and committed to the job. According to the hospitality experts, cross training is the best way to strengthen teamwork and maintain smooth service flow even when the hotel is very busy.
There's another solution according to Jupiter Jotam, August 14 and 2024, to speed up the room service and avoid staff overload. Going to a digital ordering is a strategic shift that mobile or QR-based code menu tools equip guests order on their own device, which diminish the phone traffic and minimize the wait times and release the staff to concentrate more and customize service tasks. Catalina, that hotels that utilize technology have reported a huge guest participation increase. The QR codes in a room increase order by 30 to 40% and mobile apps increase order in a room dining by such as 30% interrogation with POS system can automate process and reduce communication failure between staff. So here's a solution of cost control. So when it comes to cost control, reducing tool food waste and technology offer a powerful solution. So like AI driven tools like Wino use a camera and scale of monitor food waste in a real time and providing insight that enable to reduce the kitchen waste 70%. So pwede nyo ma-apply sa Pinamonera Hotel para ma-reduce ang food waste and also smooth and operation and cost of consumer waste by 55% in a pilot across several hotels. Moreover, in a smart inventory system equipped with a sensor predictive analysis, maka-help siya to maintain a temperature, track use by the date, and automate procurement. That this system which interrogate with the procurement of a POS platform and can reduce the spoilage and the excess stock by up to 20%, cutting losses and improving sustainability.
The most important thing for Penang Mutiara Hotel is to maintain a strong customer experience. Guests choose this hotel not because of low prices but because of its luxury service. That's why the focus should be on quality, not discounts. Technology can help improve service without replacing the human touch. For example, using apps or QR codes for room service makes ordering faster and reduces mistakes, while guests who prefer personal interaction can still talk to staff. This gives flexibility that keeps operations smooth. In the short term, the hotel should give proper training to seasonal staff and continue cross-training for regular employees so they can handle different roles during peak demand. This ensures that service stays consistent even when it gets busy. In conclusion, in the long run, the best strategy is to always prioritize excellent service. If the guests are satisfied every time, they will keep coming back, which improves occupancy, lower cost per guest, and secures the hotel's long-term success.